izule obvious nami usuqhaqela movious yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngeside kodwa mekumnyama
I mean, order them carrots. Skip to Zalo Kapash. I mean, sauce in a salad. Funny, she's a way hapach. Stay the look in the city. See, I shall kick my figgy pass. Pull up engine in no Phoebe. Ngoli see quick, jeng and mash. Superstar, no strategy. Stole my sauce, but they hard on me. I got the pieces monopoly. Got me a bad mama proud of me.
Warehouse, Petula Scripts is going down. We're out here today, Warehouse, no fire experience.
Once again, welcome to the Creative Unplugged podcast and the Niyazi Ziyakiva. Today, Warehouse, Ace in Patele, Touchline. What up, man? Okay, bro.
Too much, man.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, we good. We out here, yeah.
What are you busy with these days, my man?
A lot, indeed. I'm always busy with a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I've been doing a lot of sports stuff.
Sure.
You know, crossing over from music to sports to music.
Yeah.
It's a big project that I'm working on now, but it will make sense soon. Yeah.
And when you're talking about sports, I know, bro, you have a skill. I've been watching videos. But with music, we are here, Lord Scripts, supporting Umchita, bro. What can you say about the show today?
Yeah, man. I just got here, so I'm hoping my vibes are on. They lit. Script is a guy that I met here in Durban, so full circle moment for us to be here again, saying I'm supporter on his gig, you know, and also just to feel the warmth of Aban Basetuan, you know, KZN as a whole has always embraced Intuana, so yeah, I'm here to show my love back, you feel me?
Nice. I'm giving you a task, bro. If you see this logo, it's Creative Unplugged Podcast. It's more about the creatives around Durban. Khona bom rapper da, khona bom rapper ba travel all over. Uyabo leyo nto so sike sizama ukcaptureisha solid journey yomuntu ukuthi ubusy ngani. Ngoba kade ngikubuza before siqala ukuthi what are you busy with? Is there any music esingayichecka njengabantu abawuthandayo music wakho?
I mean, not yet. I mean, obviously I've got a lot of songs out, you know. Obviously in Kipili, Mambisa Golden Boy in November. So,
Sure.
I mean, right now I'm still, you know, working on new music.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think from around September people can start to be more expecting, you know. Yeah.
Sure. Ayike nizwele bafethu umhlike Risto bengingenela la ku Touchline nginitshela ukuthi ngiyayithanda vele freestyle together uyabona masiso bawu2 no ba4 okay ngathi sikhwela umlazi 4 ngishayela isitali samahala ngivalelisa kweBrazo.
Ngiyabonga mfethu ne.
Okay.
Sharp.
Siyabonga bra, siyabonga. Thank you very much. Yo, it's going down, it's going down. You're still going to see more of Amachita. Showcase, we're back again, the Creative Unplugged podcast at the Warehouse. Uyazi ku-script uyenzile indaba bafethu ngizwile makuthiwa kuzoza ne-Wavy 8 bafethu kuhamba kanjani? What a nice track bafethu. Ivesi lakho.
Awe hambani bafethu.
Introduce yourself, tell abantu ukuthi vele ubani mfethu usuka kule ndawo.
Hallo bafethu okhulumayo uSiyathemba mfana kaNgcobo wala eNanda khona la eDubani yabo lona. But ke most yabafethu bangazi ngetilongo na mfethu lamabhazi uyayizwa lento leyo. Lawo umalume weganu uyayibona.
Ukuthi imboni hustler wayibulala laphana uhliphiza ugogo laphana. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a nice game. It's a tough one, and ugogo I can say ugogo fethu yena wakhipha le yanto kumina well ngisehlezi ngiprepared yabo but isilwane esikanjiyana siyayithi siphume masubonela ukuthi ubhekene nani yabo so I'd say shout out to ugogo for bringing that out kumina yabona.
Bro, we love your work. Usebenza kakhulu online sawubona umsebenzi nayi inja yami hey ngabantu kade babeza ukuthi uyeza kwi-creative bro kodwa hayi isikhathi soshayisa ngaleyo time oshayisa ngawo yabo le ngiyajabula first nawe second round wavele wayikhila imoment ngale yangoma le ngiyithanda kakhulu gangster ohamba kanjani lapho ufila kanjani lapho stage bro?
Yo, I think okuyi energy secret vele abafethu mokuthi uyakhumbula ngishaya performance okugcina so from i-round yokuqala uStone engenile wasethapha leyanto sayibamba from round 2 up until ngifike ku-round 10 so kwaku-easy ngasho kanjalo kwaku-easy for mina but it was a tough game ama-opponent ayisinikeza into eqondile ngifuna uqamba amanga but
yeah so what are you busy with mfethu makhuluma ngo-MTU mhlawumbe into ezoqhamuka mfethu amajita alindeleni siyazi ukuthi vele ama-hits kuphela
yeah for now MTU busy ne-wave 8 so 2026 wonke so into engingalindela ama-single njengoba kade sidrophe i-wave 8 sisonke as i-wave of the seats kusanda kuphuma i-Abazi ishawo Ayon uRico Legit G noStone ne bawu4 kuyona then there is another single eza ngomhla 17 futhi MTU OB Celestial no P-Wizzy it's called isingena kanje then kusukela lapho futhi solokhe kumele abantu behlale like stay tuned then nizobona ukuthi yini elandelayo
but event ezayo ku-wave khona i-event ezayo
khona isipihli sento mfethu ngomhla 5 December yabo nje le activation ebesishayile a few weeks back bese activate yona le Shandis le because khona isipihli nje sifuna ukuthi sisenze mfethu ama tickets already ase available uphase ulo ama Elibet tickets ase sold out already isesiqala ngo phase 1 akhona ama tickets online already so nje mfethu sizama ucreate leyo momentum leyo lokho ibuild up ukuze noma sekufika uyakho manje sizospire la ngoba izobila vele la e-warehouse yabo
okay
sizospire ukuthi alright no script benza lento
mfethu shout out to Bon Hustler shout out to Paula obaba amajita vela involved lapho esingathi shout out kubona
i-wave 8 khona u-MTU Stone P-Wizzy OP Celestial Mike Legit G Ayon no Ricotelo then sinabaphathi uBon Hustler no Sispola sibe no Kebsi o record ama video owenza kuningi ngeke ngilokho ngibala nga1 but I think it's about 11
showcase bafethu i-mic ayigcwalisa ucase umhligoristo wonke umuntu uyangazi mawungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje kushubile la ngaphakathi kade kufika uMaraza ngiyasho ukuthi akazi ukuze wonke umuntu ola eThekwini kahle kahle hip hop ila yabo lo
umoya wangakithi wonke ula e-warehouse namhlanje so I just wish ukuthi ngathi mesingena la ngaphakathi sifice idubane lonke njenge-Bad Cent.
Nice. Bafethu kuyenzeka niyazi ke kade umuntu ayiphusha hip hop still sisayiphusha namanje non stop ekugcineni asifake full stop uzosithola lapha yana eBall Stop showcase.
On top. Salute.
Correct follow. Showcase. Much. Showcase Creative Unplugged Podcast umhligo Wave of the City engiphethu Ayon njengamanje mfethu we ma shit ufila kanjani namhlanje uzo represent Lord Scripts wenza event
Hey mfethu I feel great feel like it's an opportunity into enkulu vele la eThekwini plus futhi abantu abalethayo I feel like abantu that have to see idubane wave ngoba babona ukuthi what do we have so I'm very excited about it I can't wait to get on stage can't wait to see ama artists esibukela kuona and shout out to Lord Scripts for ukuthi ahlanganisa into enjena mfethu something crazy
Lord Scripts hey sengikhuluma ngemovement ke manje even le track ehot wave 8 uyayivula lapha ekusesithini lapha
Hey mfethu ngangibani oh yeah Sithini ngomithi ekusengithini lapho ngangibani vele ngipushing non-stop pushing this shit daily vele uyazi now we long shot team bedlezinye you don't wanna be my wrong spot been that hooked them made niggas play hopscotch I've been the topic it's obvious when I leave a scene I'm unimpressed with these niggas I'm on a future league there ain't no stopping no copying me in my Billie jeans I'm futuristic embodying little Missy E
the rest is his upizngani
Hey, we're busy working on the project for Wave of the City. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be insane. Amachita asebenza fethu, and again, collaboration is power. And ukusebenza ndawonye fethu nokunite nje ezithe. It really helps. So, ilezo zinto esisebenza kuzona izinto ezakhayo fethu kuphela, nothing else.
I love that. I love the fact that you are traveling, doing more stuff, representing idubane noma kanjani. Keep on doing the great work, the amazing stuff that you are doing. Ayon, open this.
Okay, abantu bangithola Instagram, TikTok, Ayon September, yonke indawo bafethu akushintshe Ayon September.
Okay, showcase September uzoletha ithemba umlilo uzowuphemba sokubona ngoDecember event.
Yebo, event ye Wave of the City mhla ka 5 December. Ngiyakuzwa mina khuphuka.
Okay, freestyle. Okay, sioni shut down Hligoristo. Ngokuya ngokushuba dog. Ngokuya ngokushuba. Ngokuya ngokushuba.
Ngicabanga kuthiwa ngimnyama bese angivela kwicamera.
Okay.
Utheni uPaul utheni
But
ngalo?
ngithi mina lapho ke mangisho njalo ngithi bathathe mnyama. Bathathe mkhelele. Ayihleli no bra wami ke manje. Be Weezy. What up man? Ubhizi ngani kule nsuku bafu?
Semnandi kakhulu siwave 8 kanjalo.
Wave 8.
Yeah, awuyazi mfethu
Wave
Wave
of
of
the
the
City.
City. Silana mfethu warehouse sibizo lo script. So wenza into yamanga lana mfethu yabo lento leyo. So that's all we are about for now. Umkhelele
Anganothi waricha into ongakazi uyibone kwayithina siyawulalela ngifuna ukuzwa iya utholakala kanjani lengoma iOn mfethu mase bambe imic esethi
iya ngokuya ngokushu yeah leyo ngoma leyo ayikaphumi ithiza nje ngisanshaya ngayo apparently mfethu abantu ngendlela abayithanda ngayo yeah ipressure ukuthi iphume ikhona
uthi blind badlalela ngawo dog
ngizolana nawe usuri pie uthi mnyama mina ngihamba nawe la sazokhala upmayima
khwele padle eyishaya lapha big don't
trying to shut me down. I don't complain. Grew up in the rain. Yeah, I'm self-made. Big body whip, ill fast lane. Big crib deals, everything big. I'ma lose weight chasing these meals. Big stacks wouldn't fit in these jeans. Thick B when I sit on this. Thick B when I sit on this D. I'm pulling cool.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I'm going to show today. Yeah,
cool.
Thanks,
I appreciate
dog,
you.
You know, real stuff, bro. Yes, now hip hop non-stop,
from nyaka.
Yeah. Plus vele makuhlangena ke ama OG uyabona say okay siphenqela inye page usazongena stage udlulisa message uzobe uba fry njenge sausage.
Yabo manje sesingena kwabanye abantu abakhuluma ngelanguage yenye age. Yabo leyo nto leyo sozolimala mangabe uyingane. Yabo leyo nto leyo.
Mina nawe asilingana.
Asilingana kakhulu. Yabo thina mfethu sisuka mina nguphi Weezy kahle hle uBlack Wise.
Yeah man.
Yabo ngisuka kude nalomzabalazo sibukele kunina namabrazo sibancane so ukuthi siyibone namhlanje futhi kungathi thina esibambe ikhandlela siqhubekela phambili.
Yeah, and the lights in the pets bafethu angifuna uqamba manga. That's why it's groove a whole night manje ngithi yabo.
Yeah, it's such an honor. It's such an honor. But nekade bafethu lengane ezincane sifike nenye energy. Yabo yeah serious mangabe ungayigadi kanti usukhulile yeah kuzobona lento eningi you need to contain yourself appreciate the talent and just keep it going ikhandle ingakungisi nje ikhandlela nathi mengabe sekufika isikhathi soliqhubekela silidedelele kwabanye so kwamanje it's such an honor ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi kube yithina sikwazi ukurepresent iTheku from ukuthi nani lirepresent iTheku so yeah
showcase Be Weezy bafethu Tenga Wave of the City sikhona ubonile now shout out to Bon Hustler shout out to Paula for an amazing work ithini line up ye team lapho shana kwi track Wave 8 obani
kusho Be Weezy obviously Celestial Mike kwaze kwamnandi Theku don't play with me mphethu OB Magic mphethu Legit G
yeah man
waza okay siqhubeke MDU Ntuzuma Makasana siphethe bafethu uStone Tilongo Inanda bathi ayilahlani ngeke ngisalisho lelinye igama
alright
bathi ke ngicela ukuvala ngequeen yethu bafethu
yeah
before ngivala okay iqueen yethu nje ngiyacela ukuthi ngayikhohlwa mfethu she's number 1 Ion inzalo kaDemet
showcase
isibindi sale yangani ukuthi be amongst us
yeah
I appreciate that
mfethu sesonibamba
bese ke last but not least
yeah
uRecordelo irecord lakithi so that's Wave 8 for you
yeah sesonibamba kwi Hood versus Hood Squad edition
final
yeah final ngidlala final phela ne dope 45 okay
then lockdown cipher
imali yeni then
khuleke uyazi nje
kambe ubani zobenzala naye
isifakiwe
okay people nje okay Mhliyo Risto the Creative Unplugged podcast isakhona la the warehouse supporting Gulo Scripts for sure si on njengoba nibona namajita abafethu ngicela ukuthi ngiyobuza omunye Showcase, we're still at the warehouse. Hey, to supporting Lord Scripts. Njengamanje ngilethela omunye umrapper from Wave of the City, my man. Introduce yourself.
Sir, sanibona bafethu, it's your boy Ricotelo, Sileway aka NYT. Yes sir.
Showcase, hey ngiyayibuka le track mfethu. Kade sikhuluma manje nawe ngoBwiz. So ufila kanjani mawusubona ukuthi le track isiyenza ama numbers amangaka?
Hey, I'm very excited, especially nje basihlangane kanjena, lento besihlanganele iyenzeka. So I'm very excited and I feel like abantu should look forward to more because hey, yabo into izenzeka, yabo. So I never see it like this. It's actually happening more than I actually thought. So I'm actually grateful. So yeah, there's a lot of things.
Any other songs, any other tracks, any other work eniyenzile with Amachit enenze na ku Wave of the City, I track Wave 8.
Yeah. Khona ephumile vele yabazi bafethu no Legit no Stone ifethu no Aeon khona ezayo futhi singena kanje no Celestial Mike ifethu no MDU no Magic. So there's a lot of music coming through kwamanje sitethela ama singles, so they should tap in.
Oh shit. Okay, isitalo sakhe sikhona is out.
Silhouette 2 EP. I dropped that in April. Low key fethu, MPK fethu, Nels fethu, inezinja zami fethu. Ukhona fethu no Dando. Actually Dando was performing, no Dando. So just stream that. It's out. Uricotelo fethu. Yes sir.
Oh shit, that's dope, bro. Good to see you, man. Yes, yasha ke. Njengoba ngishilo fethu. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi sioni with ama out Wave of the City. Let's go. Creative Unplugged. Let's go. Showcase umhliko on the mic wonke umuntu uyangazi if ungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje konakele supporter uLord Scripts today enginiphathele enye inja yami from elokishini eMlazi mawukuthi awumazi sokushaya ngonyazi. Introduce yourself.
Igama lami uTheo, amaqatha aziqobayo hlala bemphathaphathe bayashelela njengebhotela.
For sure khona abantu asebefuna ukuzwa ukuthi ngiyokashelela ngebhotela ushelela kanjani. Awufuni ukubapha umucodo mfethu. Awufuni mfethu.
Hayi ngabapha mfethu. Oh, ufuna ukuzibonela. Mina ngifuna ukuzwa ngabantu. Hey ukuthi uyankangela. Kuto yankangela, yeah, bathi ngifuna ukuzibonela, mina ngifuna ukuzwa ngabantu, bathi kuto yankangela, kuto yankangela, yeah, bathi ngabungenwe yini, kanti inkinga yakho yini?
Bayeka. Ubhizi ngani kulezi insuku nganami?
Hey bhote, cha make ngone isengile yami yona le ngishaya yabo. Planning ukuthi ngidrop igama layo title ngifuna ukuzibonela mfowethu.
Nice. So abantu mabekufuna bangakuthola kanjani mhlawumbe kuma socials lapha?
Yeah mfowethu. Kuhona wonke ama socials uTheo amaqatha aziqobayo.
Amaqatha aziqobayo.
Njengoba ngisho nje mfowethu.
Okay.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu.
Ziyasha Creative Unplugged podcast uzosibona usesingaphakathi ke manje so check ivenue sibona ukuthi ubani no performer ngaphakathi kodwa ke perform valelisa. Showcase we still at the warehouse bafowethu. Hey konakele kakhulu my brother, please introduce yourself.
Igama uSiyanda Nkosi AMN on all social media platforms. Usiyanda Nkosi AMN is a hip hop artist from Durban bafethu eDubane at our further experience khona la eDubane bafethu.
Manje usungenile ringini.
Yeah man sengenile ngathi ukubathatha ngabatshela ngathi ngeke balunge yeah.
Manje yini obhizi ngayo these days bro?
Well, right now all I'm busy with is the album yami lesanda kuphuma. It's called Products of the Slums 2. It's available on all DSPs. Yenza manga already. Le ngoma lena ngiyiperformile ingeke balunge is already yona enkulu nawo yonke yona popile kule album bafethu. Please check it out at Siyanda Nkosi AMN on all DSPs. Yenza manga Products of the Slums 2 bafethu. Yo.
Showcase ngiyezwakala mfethu. Man ngithanda energy yakho bro. And the bling. Turn around babone mfethu kids. So uba ukushayela le style lesi.
Don't play with me. It's my umuntu ngishayele leshandisi mfethu. It's crazy because it's my wifey mfethu. It's my wifey uThenji Cele bafethu. She did all this mfethu. uthena nje husband mawubangena laphana ufuna babuke wena wedwa. wedwa bangaboni uLord Script no babona uSiyanda Nkosi AMN. You hear what I'm saying?
So it's July eThekwini iJuly uyazi nawe ke amajita vela abanye bayo Durban July and then inyanga enkulu kahle kahle. So abantu bakuthola kanjani mabekufuna?
Well, mina bangithola at Siyanda Nkosi AMN, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. Usiyanda Nkosi AMN. Nakuma DSPs, YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music. Niyithenge nje ingoma zami laphana bafethu at Siyanda Nkosi AMN. Intwani available and yenza manga. iDurban siyiphethe kanjena and siyayikhuphula siyisa phezulu bafethu.
Showcase. Hayi ke siyabonga kakhulu the Creative Unplugged podcast kushuthi sap ethi awuyithathe uyikhuphule nawe uyise phezulu. Hayi into esenza. Showcase. Okay, still on inyukile yabuya yashona phansi mfethu, please introduce yourself. Ngibonile uyikhila earlier on the stage.
Mr. Nothing or something abantwana abaningi uchaza umchaza ingasikhulu nje eMkhapheli bazintoni inkakha.
Okay. Manje le track obuyishaya bhalo bekwenzakalani ithi la ngoma.
Le ngoma ithi ngifuna ukwaziwa official show fanatic osayinwe eGabe Records. Official show ngisho boxes, official show yaCannibal.
Boxes and Cannibal.
So ngifike ne-chorus and then ngabe senjama verses 2.0. The reason why ngishaya ngale yandlela ingoba ngayiperformela uSijavu and then bayidemand abantu and then qede ngafika.
Ngakubona uhleli noSijaba lapha etafuleni angani noma sasokhoze FM yini kukhona ikhapaso yini kodwa angani noma sengihamba kakhulu yini kuba no professor lapha. Okay.
1 million usuhlangene ivideo sayenza nawo ukuthi Sijavu.
That day
exactly.
Sikhona.
Exactly.
Asebenza amadoda.
Lapho amathuba siyawasebenzisa ngoba kahle into ebalekile ukuthi wenze umlando noma inini. La uthola khona ithuba uyalisebenzisa.
Sebenzisa ithuba wenza umlando uma uthi kanjani washaya ngesando. Okay, uthando olupushwa phambili.
Yebo.
Creative Unplugged Warehouse Lord Script uthini ku Lord Script nje message ungayisho.
Our Father who art in heaven.
Hello Bethany, thy kingdom come, thy will be done.
Yazi udaba uLord Script mfethu ngiyayithanda kakhulu lento ukuthi ahlanganisa abantu abashukahlukene ngokwegaba ababeke ndawonye nabangatholanga ithuba lokuthi abafake bagcine bebhalise ku open mic aphinde futhi akwazi ukubapost. Ngibuke nje ivideo yami ukuthi sina bana ngazi bani views kodwa sina 1000 sifike 1000 views.
Bafowethu asipusheni asingeneni la phakathi mfethu siyojabulisa umphakathi khona nalengane ngibonile ngena la isithakathi.
Black Entertainment, where dreams come true.
If was under Amajita, ooh shame. We be going crazy, but the squad is too insane. Always on the job, made this hit on Tuesday. Haters got no choice, but they gotta throw shade. Ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame. Moving to the top, I just packed a suitcase. Living life on the road, we don't beg for loose change. Finna fill up the fleet, gotta see some new faces. Ooh shame, ooh shame. Ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame.
Tanuteta, hlanganisa iphepha. Way I'm serving lines like I'm cooking up a zebra. Picture me in full frame, run the game like you saying. Better shut up when I spit, no I hear what you saying.
You ain't on the level of my niggas, chew it out of gas. I don't sip with 1,000 niggas who be simping on my dollar. For periodic table, I'm the element of surprise. Way I'm killing ballers like I'm never scared of do no time.
If was under Amajita, ooh shame. We be going crazy, but the squad is too insane. Always on the job, made this hit on Tuesday. Haters got no choice, but they gotta throw shade. Ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame. Moving to the top, I just packed a suitcase. Living life on the road, we don't beg for loose change. Finna fill up the fleet, gotta see some new faces. Ooh shame, ooh shame. Ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame.
Nami ngafika ngenza inkinga nawo amsosi. Phela mina I've scheming nabo toti. Ngoba idlozi lihambisana nabalozi. Bengihlale ngikhona esikole mengalo. Ooh shame, majita who's them? Probably did it with my brothers, it's a new game. Ooh shame, I made it through pain. Nami nethi ngivula like I made it through rain.
If who's under a match, it's a ooh shame. We be going crazy, but the squad is too insane. Always on the job, made this hit on Tuesday. Haters got no choice, but they gotta throw shade. Ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame. Moving to the top, I just packed a suitcase. Living life on the road, we don't beg for loose change. Finna fill up the fleet, gotta see some new faces. Ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame. Ooh shame, what is it? Ooh shame, what is it? Ooh shame, ooh shame, ooh shame, what is it? Ooh shame, what is it? What is it? Ooh shame, ooh shame.
Assam, Assam, Cho, Assam, 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 Assam.
TDK sweet elimnandi swile abantwana sengifuna ngenkani She saw me on charts ngifukele flight iwatha ngifika eLondon Ngihlebele sobe sinzani sesobehle nabangani Senje kafuna okuningi ufuna lokuphathi kwemlenze emibili Assam I've been on top of the city lapho intombi yakho yeka amabhilidi She's on a mission girl ufuna uba intombi yami esibili I had to tell her I'm busy. What I'm fun and them call it and easy. She hate to fly and them call it and easy. Assam,
Assam, Assam, Assam, Assam, Assam, Assam, Assam, Cho, Assam, 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 Assam.
Assam, okay. Shit, it's kinda funny, ain't it? I know you wonder how we made it. Black, successful, handsome, young and famous. Touchline, the naked truth. Destined to win from the age of 2. Speak of the devil, it's God himself. You know Lucifer, he was an angel too. This is Scottsville and I'm hot still and it's God's will. I'm bougie how life at the top feels cause it's not real. 1 minute you up then you drop still. Imbuzenda, imbuzenda, uchusenga, umbuzenda. Ubano lano sazo skuzeza, kukulokza, glass vine. Assam, 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 Cho, Assam, 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 Assam.
Bathi lentwana isikhila kwaSan uphuze kakhulu usudakiwa Sam I'm from the west but I came from the south sengena lencwadi amaphimbi yasala Assam Assam tshela ama haters ngibona next time ngoba ngiyaclocka sengibheke nesikhathi umkhita mesabo befika nesikhathi fana nebhude bephuza nesikhathi nonke niyasala sihamba masana ishaya zama ukwenzani you trying my style biza amagenga amachita angasali bani ungazi ukuthi umsebenzi span ngathi ngidlamlenze lo mfana okhuzana yeah lo mfana okhuzana
Cho Assam 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 Cho Assam 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 Assam
Back again at the warehouse sisupporta uLord Scripts njengamanje kuyafiwa nginiphathele bafowethu please introduce yourself.
Go by the name of 2 Steps Zeden.
Igama HB uHlupho boy.
About to TDK swile abantwana sweet elimnandi.
Together we are
Black Entertainment. Except mashita nibhizi ngani these days yini eniyenzayo njengamanje nifuna ukuthi abantu bayazi banithole ukuthi nenzani nibhizi ngani.
PMBville Volume 1, which is our first EP, ikona on socials and music platforms. PMBville Volume 2 na ikona, and right now we're currently working on PMBville Volume 3.
Oh, nice. First wonke lama volume so nisebenza nonke ezama out kanje.
Yeah, we are creative, but we are individual. Right now we're under one umbrella, of which is Black Entertainment.
Yeah. So who's the artist? Who's on production? Who's doing what?
We are artists. We do a whole lot of genres, but mainly we see a rapper. But people who are on production, we are working with many teams. We heavily worked with Osaipa, which is a gold plaque selling producer right there. He just got 2 plaques. Working with the Touchline. Yeah.
Oh, with the Touchline as well.
Yeah, bro. About volumes they are heavily features there. There's a feature of the likes of Dan Kenny, Uzag, Touchline, Ulogi. So we've been
been working with prominent names as well, just to get ourselves out there.
Hey, siyabonga bafethu. Niyazi ukuthi vele umuntu obuyanisiza noma nisebenzisana naye uba. Igrotman ngathi nje shout out kubantu abanisizayo obala abanisebenzisana nabo.
Yeah, Uba definitely has been great help because Mfethu is like our. So he's been in the game and he's been doing it big, so he has a lot of experience. We have a lot to learn from him. So ukusebenza nabantu abanjengoba, it's really a privilege for us because sebehambile le ndlela thina sihamba njengamanje.
Oba abanye nisebenzisana.
Singakhohlwa ke nje na indoda enkulu esiphethe Black Entertainment owenza lonke lephupho livele kubantu. So we really appreciate Ipulindala for making us abantu.
So after today, normal like right now, where to njengamanje ngiyabona ukuthi ibhasi kukhona ngisho abantu abagrand, okay ngipushe brand, i-message we send, okay asikho lapho niyaphi njengamanje.
Vethu we going to EP launch yalokishi vethu yabo. Yeah. Sifaka khona vethu so support inika vethu yabo. Yeah, exactly vethu.
Hayi ziyashaba vethu ngiyabonga ukurepresenta igama lami nguSihle Isibongo wakandima aka Mhliko. Wonke umuntu uyangazi. Mongangazi usuyangazi njengamanje. One of the OGs lokho esipusha hip hop. So i-message yeni kwi-youth kubantu abathanda hip hop njengamanje ningathini kubona abasibukele?
Bafowethu phantani noma kunzima niyazi kunzima vele emhlabeni but nje ngithi mina phusha uphante kuzolunga.
The culture is alive bafethu kuyenzeka vethu. It doesn't matter ukuthi uqhamuka kuliphi city vethu, whether uqhamuka eKasane elincane noma uqhamuka emakhaya vethu. Uma ngabe usubonile kahle vethu kuyenzeka vethu. Thina we from PMP vethu, from the slums, go Sweetwater vethu, ko Mvundlweni EMV vethu. So kuyenzeka bafethu, now we in Dubani.
Showcase represent Creative Unplugged podcast yabonga bafethu. Nizoyibona le podcast iyaphuma nje maduzane ngithi mhlawumbe iphuma next week ngoLesithathu.
Yeah, I want to send a big shout out to Creative podcast bafethu. Sikanjena vethu, it's the new wave vethu. Shout out to Lost Scripts for having us as well. Yeah.
Bafethu push on bafethu. I love your style, I love what you are doing. Keep on pushing. Bathi kubalekile more we artists kwenza more. Let's do more. Okay, Mhliko, we're out. Showcase the Creative Unplugged podcast is still Sase Warehouse supporting with scripts. Awubayitshela mfethu sikhulumene bani?
Asikanje uDuse Wave lo khuluma bafethu all the way from 035. Yes
sir. Duse. Ekuse ubhizi ngani bra? Yo for sure.
Nah, Now, for now, I'm promoting my latest project, Sebenzile EP, and I'm also working on new music. But I just really want people to tap into Sebenzile right now. But for sure, definitely working on an album. Obvious. After Fethu, a lunchbox or Suguza, boy, it's just cool.
It's cool after a lunchbox. When you first nice,
yeah, but it's low for after first nice.
Usebenza about production first to expand this.
Antiseptic, Misfit. Dog boy, our Antiseptic has been producing most of our music.
Nice, yeah.
And Gusevenzile just like, it's a different type of sound, and he made sure. So shout out to Antiseptic, Misfit, it's obvious. I don't know if you guys are tapped in, but there's a new kid out there, Misfit, and it's super fire. So he produced Uzandile and Gusevenzile acoustic version. Yeah.
The Misfits. Yes, okay, hey, yeah, feel of it. So Manja, I see you guys are moving. Where are you guys heading?
German supporter Uloki, so he has a show and we're supporting our brother there.
Yeah. Nice. Keep on doing the great work that you are doing, my brother. We love your work. Representing Gabon, Petro Maraza, La Payana.
Actually, Umaraza was 035, so it's like, Sumo water. Shout out to Big Dog Touchline. We're just out here supporting S Black, Superman, Scanjan.
But first, because of the Creative Unplugged podcast, let's go now.
Shout out to Creative Unplugged, but for Sabonga for the support, Kobe for the culture,
Showcase. Yeah, man. Ngena ngaphakathi ke manje show phakathi ke we on Creative Unplugged podcast Mhliko Research 35.
Asisukufaka umoya, but ngilo kuza hip hop kanjalo. Nende ngifona next
everybody Nigeria. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Talk to me right now. Talk to me. Okay. Yeah. Okay. When I say turban, you say hip hop. Turban. Turban. Okay. When I say turban, you say hip hop. Turban.
I haven't made a lot of money, but got a lot of experience. I've been many places, many people take me serious. I'm still on the mission for the money and the millions. I'm arrogant, excuse me if I'm acting all imperious. I got a right to be this way, I'm Tiberius. With a strong military, you probably shouldn't query us. We taking over the opposition, delirious. My life is feeling dangerous, I'm getting all precarious. We live in 031, thank God I ain't no only son. My brother come through and hit you once, that's a hole in one. Everybody leaving, dog, that's how you know I'm done. Didn't even have to come that strong, and you know I won. Against anybody, any day, I'm so untouched. Every situation going ham like Noah's son. It's such a shame you can't see the greatness. I always feel listed last like a J-Beth, but fuck it, the dream is so fabulous. The team is so passionate. Mash Beats is no pacifist. When he play the beat, he bring out the savages. We pay for no damages. Just pay for more lavish shit. That's the life that we plan to live. I promise we ain't the average.
Say turban, you say hip hop. Turban, turban. So when I say turban, you say hip hop. Turban, turban. Okay, when I say PE, you say GGPE. PE. When I say turban, you say hip hop. Turban, turban. I will. Yes, sir. Now go smell so. Celestial man, I feel the hand of God. Yes, sir. So let's go sample again.
Noma bengathandi senze intando yakithi khuphuka sami lapho sambo lakithi impilo bafuna babuthakathaka ithanda bafithi zonobisho sasoyibamba zabo ukhanda mamithi noma bengathandi senze intando yakithi khuphuka sami lapho sambo lakithi impilo bafuna babuthakathaka ithanda bafithi zonobisho sasoyibamba zabo ukhanda mamithi yeah.
Ngifuna wazi ukuthi ubalulekile, inhlungu zinamandla makuthulekile, awuzibona ukhululekile mawusahluphekile, umqondo uhlukumezekile, empilweni usuhlulekile. Ngathi kungakhanya uzifisela kona, uqhubeka uze ufike lengazange ngifike khona. Ufunda ugogode noma ngeke ngize ngisakubona, usanda umakhelwane kodwa umbhekisise banomona. Iphimbo liyanqamuka mangikhuluma, umzimba uyajuluka ngathi umphefumulo uyaphuma. Ngisho namandla sephelile ngisakwazi ukusukuma, plaza igazi saphuma sithi salikwazi mosukuvuma. Lezi zingane uzoyishiya nobani, mawufulathela lezi ngane uzishiya zodlani. Mazingibuza ngawa ngazi nokuthi ngiyoxoxana, mntanami ngiyacela nabangane engadohlani.
Noma bengathandi senze intando yakithi khuphuka sami lapho sambo lakithi impilo bafuna babuthakathaka ithanda bafithi zonobisho sazoyibamba zami ukhanda mamithi noma bengathandi senze intando yakithi khuphuka sami lapho sambo lakithi impilo bafuna babuthakathaka ithanda bafithi zonobisho sazoyibamba zami ukhanda mamithi
isiqalo nesiphetho inzalo yasegeza lapha abaholi sibabona amasekusondela ukhetho siphanda ngendlela eziphambene nengalo yomthetho kodwa nonke nabafowethu kuhluke ekutheni sibeletho sonke sizama ukhanda umcebo wezizukulwane umndeni owodwa njengecebo lamasulumane makhona ulahlekelwe isihlobo sakhe esiduduzayo othinta wena uthinta mina ngeke ngisabuza kunokumswane uzungicelela intethelelo ukuze imbewu yami ikhule ibe nezithelo khumbula isitha samzali wakhe isitha sakho baqotha imbokodo nesisekelo ngebebe nazwelo lo mculo yife engikushiya nalo ziningi impilo zabantu ongazishintsha ngalo nginika intsha iziyalo iqiniso siyalifela sinavalo
noma bengathandi senze intando yakithi khuphuka sami lapho thambo lakithi impilo abafuna babuthaka dog ithanda bafithi zonomishisa soyibamba zami ukhanda mamithi noma bengathandi senze intando yakithi khuphuka sami lapho thambo lakithi impilo abafuna babuthaka dog ithanda bafithi zonomishisa sazoyibamba zami ukhanda mamithi noma bengathandi senze intando yakithi khuphuka sami lapho thambo lakithi impilo abafuna babuthaka dog ithanda bafithi zonomishisa soyibamba zami ukhanda mamithi noma bengathandi senze intando yakithi khuphuka sami lapho thambo lakithi impilo abafuna babuthaka dog ithanda bafithi nomishisa sazoyibamba zami ukhanda mamithi noma bengathandi senze intando
siyifake elokishini siyifake inanda kanjalo cela ukubonisa nje emoyeni kanje vele sithi 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3
ngicela Nkosi uthela umusa ngilungisa indaba yami nawe Nkosi ngiyathandaza ngisayona impela kodwa ngiyafunga ngiyaphabaza from way back besikwazi ucela imvula ezintabeni manje sesikwazi ukuyi-offer njengamanzi aseshaweni imina umfundisi weyimanga Inkosi ithela umusa nginikelela ukukhanya ngokuphosa lamashumi kulo mhlaba sekuvele kuphuma umphefumulo esikhaleni sicela ubuyisela ukuphila lokho esikuthola ey'hlahleni kho sekuqonywa nama-bless kodwa mntanami kulungile sekusonta nama-gangster sesohlangana ezulwini ma ukuthi uzenza better in heaven you shall prove it uyaphuma noma uyangena kuyozwakala isolution abazalwane esontweni bengaqomana na abayihlambulula ilizono ngabe bakhona la uqoba ukhololo mfundisi kodwa usantshontsha hawu ngiyababuzela Nkosi ezulwini ngabazoya na angithi it's natural so why umuntu umeshonile siphinde simfake thina eboxini angithi it's natural pho why umuntu umesihlabile singamgoqi ngesikhumba sifake emgodini phakamisa isandla mufuna kuthandazela uJehova kambusisa umuntu osewathatha lento uJesu usizo isizayo sokuqa kuhlangabeze ezulwini basivale bangazola sihlangabeze
Pushing non-stop, pushing this shit daily. Bello, yes, and now we long shot. Team Belezinha, you don't wanna be my wrong spot. Been that, hook them, make niggas play hopscotch. I've been the topic, it's obvious when I leave a scene. I'm unimpressed with these niggas, I'm on a future league. They ain't no stopping, no copping me in my fitted jeans. I'm futuristic in body and little Mr. E.
Whoa, are y'all related to Noah? Cause I've been dripping and sliding, I'm still walking the water. When I try to score them niggas, they blocking, thinking they know. Bad pass, my open legs for the back door, I'm the explorer. Scouting outside, sipping on cola. Ila mikamulechi general inkinga esosha. Part of me kulaba bayibiza ngekodi yabakova. Asibona Kumar, but nesura sothola sothola.
Cause inkinga yenu Kuluma with no championships to support lokulenga kwenu. I came to eat a Spotify with nigga menu. Killing every show, no me in the venue. A very prominent culture figure, my nigga. I supply more bars than ultra liquors. If I'm wounded and you throw salt, I lick it. The squad is wicked, looking like a cult of liquors.
my jaw. I think keep again is wrong. These fake niggas blow up Jalan Katali, what dry I'm a bomb. You clap a see your name dumb. It's punch after punch, then look at when I'm a bomb. It's more criminal, means getting this to be no shit, a cool animal. And she means I get dashing in shots, own any yard. I've been this way, got no change on me like it's bad business day.
Sana mhlebela majida la ukushelela kunya udona kutheleka amagidza big dogs pin high US dude nami teacher look hlala phansi uthula ubukelina liga phela yini ndebawuza nengiyayiza njengenika I got blisters hands been itching for a meter marathon no iloki iqoqwa ngama-clippers kule sokola kanzima siqobola amasimba umnotho usana
mouth avuliwe VAT yadeliver ama-hater seyaposta yadelete social media babhukisha bazweliwe VAT yareleasa and umzansi uyabheliva lokho kuthina kwi-relief ey uvale lo mlomo uyikhatha nomkhosi baphuzisa i-reboost just to settle the score and you ain't making waves, that's a terrible flow masasinda mqhele how you gonna sit on the floor
manje sesebenza is still a way to remember when V8 video with the members 2026 the year we're running from the start until December any class to school your favorite rapper we stand up winners I still out of the doubted raise my hand when they shouted I was walking about it when they were talking about it yeah I'm part of the wave and the rest of you drowned in me I deal with the foolish rappers is fine
Zigga 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 zang zigga zang zigga 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 zang zigga zigga zang zigga 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 zang zigga zang zigga 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 zang zigga 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 zang zigga zang zigga 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 zang zigga zigga zang zigga 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 zang zigga zang zigga zigga zang
What's gon' get anandaba unehaba kwamashu nasemlazi umswego bayamazi
Get to everything I do, they wanna do. They wanna do. Everything I say, they wanna say. They
they wanna say. Everything I do, they wanna do. They wanna do. Everything I say, they wanna say. They wanna say.
Yazi ukuthi mfethu ngithi ngikutshele ngalishandisi mfethu. Yithini mama? Akunomjito engamfili kahle mfethu. Yini ubalo? Yabo lo mjito lokuthiwa usikuva mfethu yanguzwa mfethu. Hawu mfethu yini? Engathi ngathi ya pretenda kakhulu yashandisa. Hayi mfethu awuthe grand angaze ngize lutho phela ulubi ngayo mfethu. Hayi mfethu. Hayi mfethu awuthe grand yithini mfethu adlali ngayo mfethu.
Usikufu magulufu mabhamuzo shisa nkawuza juzo makhahlela baribu buku uyaliphezulu nu buka thambolinyo maphahla ngesithupha sihlakanipha isipho lezi esithatha isidumbu sakho mase zisiphakela izinja zibisa usikizi zonke igebengu emgedeni ngomjiji ukhokhovula umagulufu umavula valadlela stratini kwi-president abanye bathi uMandela umarufat umotherfucker ekasugoqe ngokuhleka umajayiva ahleka nesitha kanti usakhanda iqhinga phathochero periperi izinto ey'nuko kwestrawberry ungadideki leli hansi lento uyigoqe ngempeli usangakudansisela umqondo ngamavesi ebhayibheli usanokudidisa nomqondo agoqa fase ngoqhonono usanokufasa iblack ngokholoko masegeza izolo usanokuphuma ngobumnyama buye ekuseni aphethe umnotho unhlangunde nosoyaya iy'thakazelo zalo lovo
nangilo guy usikuva mpethu ave right ukumbone
eyi ngeke ngangitsheli ngosikuva ungangitsheli ngosikuva uyawathanda amantombazane
ukwazwelaphi-ke wena lokho
lalela ngikutshela into engiyaziyo
mina lo guy mpethu ngeke ngibone right uyakwazi ukubhalansisa into zakhe
kodwa mina ngiyaphisa
as much as kuwumfana waselokishini but into yakhe ibhalansile umndeni unazi
Let us get solve fastest begi khale sighting twasing lento iqale rounding uthanda mangadala inzondo xaba nini kweshi coffin phakathi kulelo njandini amandla mangathatha uthanda liphonza sighting ebusuku demini amanga njengephilisi uringa manga mawuthamanga wakuphilisana bheka survivor kuwindoda lana siyaphanja siyeka siyakhala inkothisa uthando sidesha siyaphaka siyalo siyabanga halukho uthando siyapretendana khiphiringe emnweni kule mpilo lefindo kalikaka cive ngisho isibane endleleni kakukho nokukhanya le ndawo ayinayo imfudumano kuphela kugcwele amakhaza Ring of light, shine in the sky, uthandolane, solimala kazami. I was born in the
Ring of light,
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Okwanda, the Okwanda, but my people call me Okwizis. Yeah, the intro I'm doing.
Hey,
what? No, I'm thinking Hazel.
Crazy, because manje ngamanje siyazi ukuthi ubhizi ukukha izinto vele le voice yakho manje ngamanje
engakusho ngicela kudropha ingoma nje ezu3 ngisehlala nami ngathi angisakhoni with Pretty Buhle ngaphinde manje nge26 last month ngikhipha ingoma bangiphuzile with Slow Man no Stella Beat, and then I'm working on an album manje shaya studio camp talk so ngisejozi ngisedevren ngihlanganisa bonke abantu abanzwembu akunandaba ukuthi ubani khona into engayifaka bo-email ukuthi if you can send me a beat, you can send me your open verse ingoma yakho, then you can stand a chance ukuthi ungangena kwi-album yami abemamamane September ngafethi because ibadman yami ngaze nijo zizophuma manje cha kodwa sekuseduze but engakusho nje sesinazo ingoma and it's fire
lalela si-creative sibona emahlathini lapha busy spirit of adventure noma bekuyini ekanjani benezani laphana
ngathi yabona besemakhaya besicela shaya iphathaphatha so emakhaya nature is the only thing we have so we had to look for a good spot so we're like bro it's either we have amhlathi vele and screen so that's something in my face bakhombisa chill because I was proud besemakhaya yabo awangibonakala ukuthi ngasemakhaya but it was so nice because you're not just now so yeah, but that's the content. It's good view and everything.
Please subscribe on the Creative Unplugged podcast. You guys are doing amazing job. I
would like to say shout out to creatives, Baba Unplugged. They're so cool, guys. They're so dope.
Let's go.
Let's go. Shout out.
G in the game, no keys. Just rhymes and melodies, flow criminal, felonies. Why but don't I mean that for the remedies? Yeah, in peto accused, but he excuse me on speed. Section exclusive, all inclusive. No new peeps, but intrusive. It's a spine, that's a productive. It's pushy production, hip hop construction. But why you best got the extension? Get back seats, get back me, get back seats. Get back seats, get back me, get back seats. Get back seats, get back me, get back seats. Get back seats, get back me, get back seats.
I've been doing this brand shot on a velo yangazi eating a manja coast to coast rocking the party and everywhere we go you know we get it started we make it happen radioactive I'm not gonna lie man I'm really attractive really a bad bitch I'm really her mixing it up causing a stir trying to make my life better do it on my own baby I'm a go-getter trendsetter big spender I'm really the one you will never find better bona fela velo yena Tindazela fagi pressure keep nkani maudelela lesugringa morendelas
Get back seats, get back me, get back seats. Get back seats.
masala yasiyafika la kumele siyakhona. Except, yeah, kulo nyaka baba asimele muntu, monga fulo yeke asimele muntu. I'm making music for every mood. Your favorite rapper barely moves, I let him lose. His baby mama sending nudes, which is ironic cause I'm touchline the naked truth. I split your head in two, your mind is where I'm heading to. I've already planned for your every move, so by the time you went and you switched on me, I already knew. That guy was never as hard as I, no matter how many times he tried. And he says he's a gladiator, me now I'm just glad he ate a piece of that humble pie. Don't cry over losses, they are part of life. If I cry over a girl, just know I've lost my mind. It's the pretty ones that love to lie. If you're gonna play me, baby, let it be on Spotify. You know the side choose. Actions over captions, love over looking like we in love. Make money, don't act rich. I put coins under the mattress, but still I don't sleep on this cash. I get the bag quick. Bangajutu sangaphumelela boy noma ungageleza angishuthu ungageleza makumdala sifuna indlela zami bebakhoma bavele ba mina noma ngilapha as long as I die at the top ngathi ngitshentshe ikhala yendwele zami. Still got passion for it, you just can't ignore it. When I drop, she deletes your pictures just to clear some storage. Making space for something more important. It's God, a family, touchline, you, exactly in that order. Rule number one, always feed each other. You pass me the money, I pass it to him in sticky daka. Rule number two, ninga figin papa, pinch it up, cleaning line and keep our mangas, keep your manga. Sober minded, but still got dope lines and a rapper that lacks inspiration and uses coke to find it. Flow the nicest, as cold as iceless. I'm talking ISIS, show me where the mic is. No, it's not high blood pressure, you got a high temperature, you feeling touchline pressure. Hey Baba, you be at heaven's gates once I get you. Mawfika unkulunkulu, tell him touchline sent you. Durban time, South can put me on the flight. Music Holland, Big Zulu, what a crazy night. One day I'll sell out in Dubai, if I get it right. I live what I dreamt of as a youngin', live a better life. Ignore that honey's text, it's not a money text. You choose asses over assets, how about W next? Yeah, I like this on this tiny stacks, but making money come is best. That's why not much I choose. Actions over captions, love over looking like we in love. Make money, don't act rich. I put coins under the mattress, but still I don't sleep on this bag. I get the cash quick. So.
Are you guys in the house tonight? You melody my face. Ikamala Mutashna, Toya Setembi, Setros, Yawa, Shayana for my boy Lord Script. One more time, when I say Lord, you say Script, Lord, Lord. Nah. When I say Lord, you say Script, Lord, Lord. When I say touch, you say line, touch. When I am running to the one, Anina.
If it's the money that you want, if you just talking, it's too long. Kala ngikhosi yabajabangoni bakhoshwa amakhosi duwang. Sibalunga ishuzi zophaka, ngiphatha ubenzela uqabanga. Stick on my body, put one in the body, rap on it, all of them corners. Ngisazokwabanisa, dala sihlanganisa. I got no straps in the zebra, but I blow some buffaloes on the sneaker, babe. Call out my off, settle the score and I beat the odds to get even. If you love me, if you breathe, shit like this, tell me when you leaving. Fuck it, a song. Stick on my song.
nyuka, nyuka, sakele ngiphike gcwele ukuhlupha. Vutha, bafike phela igcwele umquba ihula. Sikobe udlala inkawu lethe kimi ungaze ufice impilo ayithutha.
Make the sound, down to the hood, I ain't even look now. How you living in the hood, but you sleeping in Dubai? Oh, no, die. Really, ay, gana mabuda, twalita fula, maya majuda, siwa galula, buso makruzu, uchamluto na malunda, ngeke ngisamkhuza, leketu kitafula, khumbula ngisasuka, unyuka, fake elinye igiye ligcwele ukuhluka, ngivutha, ngafike egemini egcwele umquba ihula, sikhephu sidlala inkawu lethe kimi ungazofica impilo ayithutha, uzwa, vele ngisaphokophela. Sazoba kokotela vele ngisaphokophela awuthini baphefomela Spilly ay bathi Spilly hold it down vele umkanje ubonga uzowuzwa nangisound fly a weapon noise the grip will make you drown never fast I'm a force if you wanna run the town god damn look at me now Bafagoes and ocean, my bossy underground. I was trapping out the posy until they heard the sound. Nati masenki get chosen, I shoot you like the crown. So when I saw no boozer, so la pazuga, let's fuck the world. Kama Sutra, cooling alone, la manje tonja gonge buja. When I beg a lost step, banya tell I am in kunja. Hey, who said? Tula, kuze, mautiligi mtini lau ya nyuswa Ngweleng lambe limbus na yume khulumu kusuta Mbatwe beli sombe betting na manga ngashuta Uzwa Vele ngisaphokophela Sazoba kokotela Vele ngisaphokophela Timba for me. Ay, yangani pura, aveng basupa, dalang mabuga, manje nyabuya, musuku ichuta, vele nyaktuza, vuma sula kolozo zovuki vangalvuza, sekwisikhathi sokuhluza, khipha usinayi kwinkundla, amathanga hluma bangena amabodo okuvuna, phethe isosi yokuhluka, abayizama yabahlula, bazama ukuthenga uface kanti iprices iyanyuka. Really hold it down. Fires going up if they aiming for this crown. Check this price or son don't see my belly flow who can't get. Shy usna yung mongo si magmilu ko boga ineti. Uzo. Veleng sa pogope. Sazoba kokote. Veleng sa pogope. All things but for me.
How's everybody feeling? If you're feeling good, let me get a yeah. Away, Kamalamba Fetsu is umcishe mfana waseBlaze eChesterville. Shout out to Big Bro Slick, Bafesa Sirokeno ukugcina mase ngayifa. Thank you for pulling up. Let's do it.
Flowers don't move, baby, go show me what you can do, Take you out the club straight to the moon, We was down, but now we are, So what's the moon now, Baby, go show me what you can do, I'm just tryna take you to the moon. Shake, 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 shake.
Ay, I'm on stage on even play the song, make it a cool stick. The illest out, I pull up to the scene, they all get flu sick too. Used to drip, just walking closet, feel like scuba. Yes, I'm cool as fuck, but it's my chain that made me cooler. You a dancer or a model, baby, choose one. You a chancer, fuck your friend, baby, this a twosome. In a big bus, it look like train, chew her. She a eater, she a bite it, she a chew. All she wanna do is make safe. Got a lot of bands, I'll let you peek. Big stage, yes, I got a mic, I'll let you speak. Hey, soaring bass, I send a couple bands, go paint your feet. X Games, baby, jump up, homie, do some shake.
shake, 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 shake.
Money hoes, you know that shit come together. I might fuck them both just because they came together. Hit it twice, cause she in a two-piece. Push you P, my dude mine at 2 lead. Pongo low, forest out of 2 liter. Ayy, parlay, laughing to the back like that CB. I'm like, hey babe, if you won't let me fuck, then let it be. That's a dick who babe, fuck her in the tub with Twiley niche. Call her back, boo your bitch, you left your pantyhose. Fuck again, to the bitch, they don't gotta know. Twiley I'm origami, made a bad fold. Kala I'm, oofa I'm, at the funeral.
Shake, 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 shake. I was never spoon femeling sevens.
I'm